From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the silver market. You can see silver has shown itself to be somewhat impressive yet again during the trading session, slamming into this crucial $26 level. This is an area that I think you're going to continue to see a lot of noise. That being said, a pullback does make a certain amount of sense, but I think that pullback gets bought into. I certainly wouldn't want to be shorting silver at this point. It is overdone. I would not want to be long of this, starting here, I should say. Now, overall, yes. So just look for value. It's the best thing you can do.